Okay, to start things off, to change your roller in 10 minutes, is you need to start off by pulling or unbolting that relief valve and then running your tracks out of grease until they look like that. And then get yourself a skid steer or a tractor or a forklift or something like that. Hook yourself a chain around where you need to pick up at and change your roller. And that is the first steps. So we got all the grease out of our track here, and we got to replace this roller because it is clearly shot on the inside. You can see it right there. And it's just one bolt here on the side, clamps it in, and so you just probably have to heat that up and take it out, slap the new one in, put grease back in the track, and that's all she wrote. There's a new one right there. I think it was $250 from Caterpillar. You can get it from other places for a lot cheaper, but the easiest way we found to remove the roller is to first remove the 36mm bolt. Then use a pry bar and a hammer to widen the track where the roller goes into the track chassis. After you have widened the crack, use a punch and a hammer from the inside of your track to remove the roller. Once you have the roller removed, you may install your new roller. Then remove your pry bar and reinstall the bolt. So this is the old one that we took off. This is a prime example of what happens if you over grease and your tracks are too tight. The inside of your track will have too much tension on it, and it'll cause the inside of your rollers to wear faster than normal.